Tank300 key case cover installation guide. Push up the silver cover of the original key case cover. Remove the spare key and pry open the outer covering. Remove the butterboard and silicone pad. Remove the battery and metal copper sheet from the back. What we're using is the original key case copper sheet, battery, motherboard, spare key and silicone pad. Open the key case packaging. Unscrew 4 screws and open the cover. Remove the metal cover, battery backplate and filling sponge. Install the copper sheet and battery to the battery backplate. Pay attention to slightly raising the two connecting pieces of the copper sheet. Avoid poor contact. Place the keypad, motherboard, and battery backplane in turn. And metal cover. Cover the back cover directly. Test whether the buttons and signal lights are normal. Tighten the screws. Remove the screws from the spare key holder and install the original spare key. Then slide it in and replace the key cover. Remove the keychain screws. Install the keychain. Finally, test whether the key signal is triggered normally. The installation guide ends here. Thanks for choosing Tank300.